everyone, and welcome back to my channel Learn English with Rupa. And I have told you that you will gonna learn this language within 1 month. Means if you are beginner, if you are unable to think, within 1 month you are going to see a lot of changes in your English. It means that if you will watch my video regular, you are going to speak fluent in English within 1 month. Why? Because it's okay. You are from village area. It's okay. There is nothing. It's okay. In your family, no one talks in English. It does not matter. But main thing, how you are taking this language, whether you are taking this language serious or not. If you are taking this language serious, definitely you will gonna learn this language. Let me give my example. I wanted to learn this language um, since when I was in my fourth grade. So at the time I had not too much idea about this language, so therefore I was not focusing on it. But as I started going in higher classes, I started exploring about English so much. And whenever like people used to talk surrounding me, and when I used to get hurt English word, that used to attract me. So maybe it is happening with you right now. You are watching my video and you are looking me. I am speaking so confidently. Whatever the thought I have in this mind, I am telling you confidently. And this is the dream of everyone. We want to share our thought clearly and even confidently, so that people who are at the front of us, who are listening us, they can understand. Okay, fluency means to speak like that through which people can understand. Fluency does not mean speaking just like train. Fluency means like speak clearly so that the people who are listening you can understand. That's it. This is the meaning of fluency. So in this today video, I am going to tell you that how you should start your English journey and which kind of problem we face in a first day while starting this language. So I am going to even use Hindi language so that people can understand, because like there are a lot of people who can not understand. And like right now it has not become our flair, right? So you don't have to despair that oh my god, I can't become fluent. You can become fluent, and even you don't have to anxiety, you don't have to worry that I am from village area, I have nothing, so I can't learn. I am making this video especially for villagers, because this is the thought. Still so many YouTubers, they are from village, they are making video, but still people have this doubt, they have this thought that they have become, but what about me, whether I can become or not. But I am grant, I am telling you, and I am promising to you that if you are going to watch my every video, you will definitely see a lot of changes within 1 month, because I saw changes within 1 week. But I was totally serious, totally. Means therefore I got an pain in my throat. Means I was unable to speak properly. What, like sound was not coming properly from this throat apple. Okay, so this kind of problem I faced, but yeah, like I got a good result, I got a positive result. Okay, so लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो जब भी हम लोग इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज सीखना चाहते हैं या बोलना चाहते हैं, हम हमारा पहला प्रॉब्लम है कि मैं तो गांव से हूँ, मैं कैसे इंग्लिश बोल सकता हूँ. यहाँ पर तो कोई इंग्लिश नहीं बोलता, कैसे मैं बोल सकता हूँ. And I have listened that we need environment. So let me tell you. Right now, this is 2026. Means everything is in this cell phone. Whatever the problem you are facing in your life, okay, physically, mentally, like the solution is in this. So use in a correct way. If you have any job problem, you can ask to here. If you have any other problems, you can ask. If you are unable to cook any dish, you can ask. If you have any study related problem, you can ask. And not only one app, there are so many apps where you can share your thought and get, where you can share your problem and get solution. Okay, so today I am going to tell you कि हाँ मेरे पास इन्वायरमेंट नहीं है. आई नो कि मेरे पास इन्वायरमेंट नहीं है. फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम यही होता है कि जब हम लोग इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हैं तो हमारा प्रॉब्लम यही है कि मेरे पास भाई इन्वायरमेंट नहीं है, तो मैं कैसे इंग्लिश बोलूँ. सो लेट मी टेल यू, आई हैड ऑल्सो नॉट प्रॉब्लम, sorry, I had also not environment. So how I am speaking here, it means through this it has clear that you don't need environment. Means what, like, and you can make artificial environment. Right now people are making artificial moon, so why can't you make artificial environment to learn English? It is so easy if you compare that than this, so what you have to do from now onwards, this is the first day, from now onwards whatever this you are speaking, speak totally in English. हाँ, फर्स्ट डे मिस्टेक होगी, ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक होगी, मैं बहुत स्लो बोलूंगा as not like other. Yeah, this is the casual and common problem, silly problems, and this problem are done by everyone. I have also done this mistake, so you don't have to worry. And in the learning process, everyone does mistake. There is no need to worry, and this is not a biggest challenge. Okay, so you will do mistake, but if there is someone who is correcting you, accept your mistake. Because I have seen a lot of people, they do mistake, but whenever people come and tell them that here you are doing mistake, so they say they don't accept their mistake. Because it has happened with me when I was learning English through Josh Skill. There was one guy, he was a boy, and maybe he would be my age. At that time I was 13-year-old. So he told me, he was speaking to me, so he was doing a lot of grammatical mistakes. So I told him that your fluency level is good, now you should focus on the grammatical mistake which you are doing while doing conversation. So he told me that yeah, I'm doing mistake, but I don't need to correct right now. What the hell it is. So you don't have to do this mistake, guys. If अगर आप कोई भी मिस्टेक करे और कोई आपको समझा रहा है, तो you have to understand. So अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है, तो अगर आपको डॉक्टर सजेशन दे रहा है कि नो यू हैव टू avoid this thing, you don't have to include this type of thing in your daily life. So अगर उनका बात नहीं मानोगे तो वो प्रॉब्लम बढ़ती जाएगी. ऐसे ही अगर कोई आपको गलती कर रहे हो इंग्लिश सीखने में और कोई आपको सजेशन दे रहा है, एडवाइस दे रहा है, तो आपको उसे एक्सेप्ट करना चाहिए. यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन दैट, बट पीपल डजंट अंडरस्टैंड. दे थिंक दैट आई एम ओवर स्मार्ट. ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट इज नॉट गुड. कॉन्फिडेंट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, बट ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट इज नॉट गुड. सो पहला मिस्टेक हम लोग, पहला प्रॉब्लम तो यही होता है कि मेरे पास इन्वायरमेंट नहीं है भाई, मैं कैसे सीखूं. तो क्या करना है कि जाइए आप, देयर वुड बी अ लॉट ऑफ एप्लीकेशन, जैसे कि जॉश स्किल है एंड हेलो टॉक. मैं जो ऐप यूज की हूँ आपको बता रही हूँ. स्काइप ऐप, देयर आर सो मेनी ऐप्स अवेलेबल. वहाँ पर आप लोगों से बात कीजिए. इवन गो टू द यूट्यूब वीडियोस देखिए. ग्रामर में टेंसेस पर फोकस कीजिए. फर्स्ट आपको पूरा टेंसेस पर, इफ़ यू आर बिगनर ना, तो आप ज़्यादातर चीज़ हम लोग ना टेंस की सहायता से ही करते हैं. तो अगर आपका ये टेंस का जो प्रॉब्लम है वो क्लियर हो जाएगा ना, सो आप बहुत ही आसानी से अपनी बातों को शेयर कर सकते हैं किसी के साथ. सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू क्लियर द प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ द टेंस, यानी कि यू हैव टू मेक command on the tenses. Then you will see within 1 week you will be speaking a lot without tangling and without any hesitation. You will be speaking just like so beautifully. You would be expressing your thought. So अगर तो ये करना है आपको फर्स्ट डे में आपको टेक द नोटबुक एंड राइट डाउन वॉट एवर आई एम सेइंग. कि पहले आपको टेंसेस पूरा जितना, देयर आर 3 टाइप ऑफ टेंसेस, पास्ट, प्रेजेंट, फ्यूचर, एंड उन लोगों का 4 पार्ट्स हैं. तो उस सभी पर आपको फोकस बनाना है. आप चाहेंगे तो इसके लिए आप 1 वीक ले सकते हैं. इवन नहीं हो रहा है तो 2 वीक्स भी ले सकते हैं. इस पर आप पकड़ बनाइए. एवरी डे डेली आप रीडिंग बुक का रीडिंग कीजिए. अगर आपको बुक्स नहीं पढ़ने आता है तो क्लास 1 क्लास 2 का बुक पढ़िए भाई. आई वॉज डूइंग सेम थिंग। मैं क्लास 3 में थी, लेकिन क्लास 1 क्लास 2 का बुक पढ़ना शुरू की अपने भाई बहन का, एंड मेरा बहुत ही वहाँ से डाउट क्लियर हुआ। फिर मैं कार्टून्स देखती थी फर्स्ट टाइम में, तो ऐसे ऐसे लाइक यू नो लाइक राइट नाउ यू आर ऑन द जीरो लेवल, एंड इफ यू वांट टू रीच टू 100 डायरेक्टली, इट इज़ इम्पॉसिबल। एंड आप पहुंच भी जाएंगे ना वहाँ पर 100 पर, आपको कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आएगा भाई, कुछ नहीं। तो अगर क्यों ना मैं अपना स्टेप बाय स्टेप डाउट क्लियर करती जाऊँ, ऐसे मुझे कॉन्फिडेंट भी होगा एंड मैं कहीं डरूंगी भी नहीं। So this was something in the first day. Hope you have enjoyed this information about English. Thank you so much for watching.